All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is here. This is the Project Meta by Crinear, our latest IEM brand to hit the market. Clinical himself, this is his brand. And yes, he did that whole video where he said, "Oh no, it's so difficult." Ugh." Basically, there was some big hype and lead up to this. We knew it was coming. Anybody with half a brain knows this was coming. But there you have it. Crinear, Project Meta. Listen close. What do we got here? We've got yep, it's a limited private company. There we go. Limited liability. That's the key, my man. Then you've got the impedance 1000 hertz, 19 plus or minus 2 ohms, sensitivity, and the frequency response, that is okay, 2 hertz to 44,000 hertz. This is him flexing his measurement rig basically. I mean, you can't even hear that. This, by the way, I always wondered about this because that's 2 hertz right there. It's 2 times a second. That's, I mean, what? I don't know. But apparently you've got this frequency response. Question is, what's in the box? Now, I would genuinely like to compare this with some other things in this price point. I'm not sure I'm allowed to tell you how much this thing costs just yet. So, you know, that's coming soon. This is just an unboxing, just to see how nice the box is. I don't usually do unboxings on this channel, but I'm curious. Shake it about. All right, pretty solid packaging, nothing moving around in there. That's a good sign of good packaging in general. The question I'd like to know is, are we going to get that funky smell? Now, if you don't know, wow, this is hard to get through. If you don't know, every time we get a package from China, you open it and then there's this really funky smell. I don't know what it is. Is it the nitrogen flushing they do? But nitrogen is odorless, so I don't think it's that. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go with the old. This is the. If you don't know what you're doing, this is the best way to unbox, ladies and gentlemen. Take it from a professional. Ah, there we go. All right, this is it. It's almost out. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! World's first. Ouch. Okay. World's first look at Project Meta. All right, let's put that aside for a second. We get. What? Why was it stuck? Why was this stuck on the... That is a big box. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. What's in here? It says manual. Okay, just a whole bunch of things. After sales terms, the warranty. Okay, this is interesting. The warranty of this IEM unit is up to 1 year from the date of purchase. That's nice. Warranty for cable and adapters is up to 3 months. Only covers defects that may affect the proper blah blah blah. So 1 year warranty. All right, Project Meta, I see you. How to wear. We'll figure that out. I'm sure we'll figure that out. Okay, let's see what's in this chonker. Oh my god, would you look at this? What? Okay, can you guys just let me do this? Hang on, I can't. You know what? It's fine. Crinear, minus that bit, that'll come off. I'm sure that'll come off. What the heck is this? Who is going to tell, guys, are you going to walk around with this thing on your arm like this chungus? I mean, what? Why? Crin, why? Seriously though. All right, but I mean, I can't deny it is a solid thing. Let's see what's inside. Oh, hang on. Is this another pouch that we can... No, that's just... Wait, it is another pouch. Okay, all right. Hang on. It's... Am I basically ruining this? Kind of. Wait, let me just be careful about this. Okay, this is a pouch that you can take and it's velcroed on there. But the velcro itself is coming off at the seams here, so you gotta be careful, don't rip that out. I'm not even sure I'm supposed to rip this out, so I'm just gonna leave it here, but theoretically, this could be a carry case, right? Alright, I'm not the only one who thinks that, surely. We got some packages, let's see what's in these packages. We got connectors, 3.5mm, 4.4mm connectors, nice. And that tells me the cable is interchangeable, that's cool. You got some tips, that's cool too. And some foam tips, yes, a man after my own heart. I know some of you don't like foam tips, but foam tips are goated. You just don't know. It itches in your ears, I get it. It's not for everyone, but whew, the isolation and the nice treble roll off sometimes. Okay. We'll put that aside. Let's say here, and here. So you guys can... Oh, so professional. And then the cable. Oh, that is chunky. Chunky little double braid thingamajiggy. 2-pin connector on one end. Very nice. Yeah, this is definitely, I mean, none of this feels cheap, guys. This is unnecessary. This is overdoing it, but this little case, that's fine. You take that out, you move with that, that's good. This is just this, however, very nice. Okay, now for the pièce de résistance. Let's look at the IEM itself. Let's take this out. You got Crinear on one side and Meta on the other. Let's take a look at this. Oh, would you look at that? That is quite beautiful. It's blue and it's black and rose gold. Why did I say blue? What the hell? I thought it would be a bit of a translucent finish. It's not. It's just a metal finish. Crinear is embossed in there. Nice. You got the little vent there. It says L very clearly against the black. And of course, it's got the absolute chode of a nozzle. I don't know how wide that is, but that's big. It is a beautiful IEM. Beautiful IEM. Lovely matching cable. I'm loving this color. I don't know if it comes in different colorways, but I like this colorway that he sent. The black and copper, yes sir. Cannot go wrong with that. Now, if you're walking around with something like this, I mean, that is gorgeous. I'm really curious as to how this will hold up with other IEMs in this price point. Now, I'm not sure I'm allowed to tell you what the price is just yet. There's an embargo and shit. All right, fine. But when it comes out, I will be probably comparing it with a couple of other IEMs I have in mind in this price point that I have access to. So, yeah, I'm very curious as to see how this thing actually does. I'm sure it'll do okay, but will it do phenomenally? That's the real question. Ladies and gentlemen, the Crinear Project Meta is almost here. Subscribe for the full video. Okay, my back. Alright, that's enough. Shit, nearly forgot. Nope, no funny smell. That's a good thing.